Welcome. If you're looking to enable comments on your pins using the Pinterest app on your PC, you're in the right place. With the new update, Pinterest makes it simple to turn on this feature so your followers can engage with your content even more. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the left side menu where you'll find a variety of options. Scroll down a bit and you'll see the Settings button. Go ahead and click on that. Inside the Settings menu, you'll notice several categories. What you need to find is the section labeled Social Permissions. This is where all the privacy and interaction controls reside. Click on Social Permissions to open up the options related to how others can interact with your pins. Here you'll see an option titled Allow Comments on Your Pins. This is the key toggle that controls whether people can leave their thoughts, feedback, or questions directly on your pins. To enable comments, simply click the switch so it turns on. After enabling this setting, don't forget to click Save at the bottom or top of the page to confirm your changes. Without saving, your edits won't take effect. Now that comments are turned on, anyone who visits your pins will be able to share their ideas and connect with you through comments. This is especially great for building community around your content and getting instant feedback. That's all there is to it. Enabling comments on your Pinterest pins through the PC app is a quick and easy way to boost engagement and invite interaction from your followers. Give it a try today and watch your Pinterest experience become more dynamic and interactive. Thanks for tuning in.